Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 4 and let me show you how to enable the unknown sources on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then find and select the settings, scroll down and right here you have to choose add additional settings. Here choose privacy right here. And now let's enable the unknown sources by using that switcher. So let's allow installation from apps from unknown sources. Here we've got the explanation. Let's tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. You can now install some apps from other sources than Google Play Store. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.